start Auralia, just simply go down here and find the Auralia program, which is right here, and click it. Here's the Auralia program. They have 4 different areas. The first one is intervals and scales. The next chords, then rhythm, and then pitch and medley. I'll go through how to use these programs or these games down here in a little bit. But first, let's start with the program. I'm going to have this attached to a network so that I can send you tests. So when I make a test for you, you just go ahead and click the Start Test button. Now this is a this is a demo version, so they have these shaded out. But this is where you would go if you want to check your results in the games that you've been playing. You can check there. They'll also tell you at the end of the game. But essentially, what's going to happen is you'll be graded on these grades. They'll be updated to my server, and your portion of that grade will be updated to your total grade. So, if we want to get started here, for my 9th grade students, all we're really going to deal with is interval comparison, interval recognition, and interval singing for the interval and scales subsection. So we're going to go ahead and click the first one here. And we're just going to start out with level 1, and we'll advance in levels over time. In this, it asks you what interval was smaller. The second interval was smaller. This is what will happen when you get it correct. Say if you want to continue or no, you always have to hit yes up until the amount of. So if I assign you 20 for that week, then you don't have to do this 20 times, and then after the 20th time, you can say no. Since this is a demo version, we'll just ask the same question over and over again. But this time we're going to put in a wrong answer, and here's what happens when you get it wrong. Oops. Let's put in was the second interval larger or smaller than the first? It was smaller, so we'll have to say larger this time. You see, they changed the question, the wording of the question, so you gotta be sure every time to read the question. So here they say we've answered 2 of the questions correctly. And then that would update up here and then check your results. As far as interval recognition, I'll assign certain intervals for your assignment, and you just have to go ahead and plug them in here. And then click Start. Since it's a demo version, they're only going to have a perfect 4th, a perfect 5th, and an octave. Another cool thing is you can plug in down here in the piano the perfect 5th to G. Or you can just say it's a perfect 5th here. And once again, if you get it wrong, you'll get a corny sound effect to tell you. lets you know your results. This is a good one. This is interval singing. I'm gonna have you put in the intervals that I want you to learn how to sing for that particular assignment. Click start. It's asking you to sing a perfect fourth above the note. So you can replay the given note. Do, do, oh. Yeah, click start when you start singing. Oh, let's see. Do, re, mi, fa, 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 fa. Well, this is just a demo work, so it's not gonna work, so. And go ahead and feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll explain how some of the games work in the other sections. Thank you.